Did you know zucchini has more potassium than a banana? I think of it as a natural sunscreen because it protects your skin and eyes from the inside out. It's truly a glow-up in a bowl. Let's start by thinly slicing the zucchini into rounds. Arrange the slices on baking paper. Sprinkle a pinch of salt and let them sit for 5 minutes. This little step draws out the moisture, making the texture much chewier and bringing out the natural sweetness. Heat a pan over medium heat. No oil needed this time. We're going to sear them to perfection. Flip them occasionally until they're golden brown on both sides. I tend to wait until they get that slightly charred, chewy texture I love. In a bowl, combine the seared zucchini with cooked quinoa, gochugaru, garlic powder, soy sauce, and a drizzle of sesame oil. Toss everything well so the quinoa absorbs all those spicy and nutty flavors. Serve it in a fresh bowl. I love how light and easy this is. Almost like a warm salad, but with a savory, spicy kick. It's a simple discovery that makes my body feel so good. Eat well, age well.